A controversial new law was just passed in California that will allow college athletes to accept money for the use of their name, something that is currently not allowed by the NCAA. To talk about that and the ramifications of the new law, we're joined by Gehovany Alonzo from Palacios Associates in today's Law Vegas Now segment. This really does open up Pandora's box, right? This changes things.
It sure does, because now that the schools in California are allowed to allow the students to get paid for their likeness and where we get sponsorships, it's going to create a void where only this area will be able to give them a benefit that no other place will be able to.
And it's going to take a while, though, for it to be in effect. It's not next year.
That's correct. So the law won't take effect until 2023. But there's a lot of talk about other states also joining in on the bandwagon because they don't want to be left behind. They won't be able to compete probably with, what California has to offer.
And earlier I messed up when I said, I don't even know what I said. I just knew I said it wrong. The NCAA currently bans this from taking place. How does that work then? If California says it's okay, the NCAA says no, it's not okay.
Yeah, so that's what they're going to try to figure out, because they at least initially had warned them that they might not allow California schools to participate in their tournaments. But I think they're just probably going to have to start adapting to it, because a lot of states and even possibly federal regulation might come into play where they will allow, on a national level, students to be able to collect fees of endorsements.
Well, and the thing is now that this could be seen as a competitive disadvantage for states that don't pass a similar law, right?
That's correct, because certain states that might be able to allow this, it might attract bigger talent. It's a very lucrative business, and a lot of students, especially young age college, would like to get paid.
Sure, if you're a star athlete and you know that people are going to buy your jersey, go to California.
That's correct.
You're going to make some money. So now what happens to Nevada?
Well, Nevada usually follows trend with California. So there's already talk in the legislature about introducing bills that would allow our local universities to allow those students to collect on those fees. And, that's a big benefit for them.
And I mentioned Pandora's box. This really does now open up everything, because pretty soon the next step then is talking about actual compensation.
That's correct. Even though they might not be receiving the same amount of compensation as the professionals, there will be some disadvantage if some states allow it and some states don't. States don't want to see their favorite team disband because they go to other places. So that's going to be a really big topic that they're going to have to figure out.
Wow, it's going to unfold. All right, thank you so much. Good to have you with us as always. If you'd like more information, if you have some problems, legal problems, you can always give Palacios and Associates a call. There's the phone number, 702-444-7777. You can also visit the website at ericpalacioslaw.com.